It's down to the end of the J3A Puma National Junior and Senior Track and Field Championship at the National Stadium. It's the final day of action, and our reporter Denise Walters is trackside with the latest. Denise.
Thank you, Giovanni. Now, National Sportsman of the Year Rashid Broadbell produced a personal best, 12.94 seconds to win his first national title in the men's 110-meter hurdles, ahead of Olympic champion Hansel Parchment and former world under-20 silver medalist Orlando Bennett.
Sent away cleanly. Good start for Tyler Mason. Also running well is Orlando Bennett. Rashid Broadbell at this stage now takes the lead. Rashid Broadbell steps forward. The Commonwealth champion being chased by Hansel Parchment. Rashid Broadbell runs away. 12.94 seconds. That's a flash time for Rashid Broadbell. Let's see what it comes back at. We're also looking at the wind, which seems to be legal at this stage. And it's 12.94. Personal best. Rashid Broadbell, national champion.
That's a big run. He now equals Hansel Parchment's PB.
And Olympic bronze medalist Megan Tapper held off the fast finishing Akira Nugent to regain the national title in the women's 100 meters in 12.64 seconds. Nugent clocked 12.67, and the 2015 world champion Daniel Williams was a third in 12.82 seconds.
Off they go. Megan Tapper gets her customary great start. She's away from Amoy Brown. The rest will have to play catch up. Nugent is trying to come forward. Megan Tapper on top from Nugent. Nugent is storming forward. Megan Tapper, the Olympic bronze medalist. Oh my word, this lady knows how to prepare for these championships, and she becomes a three-time national champion unofficially in 12.65. Now it's at 12.64 seconds. Another brilliant run from Megan Tapper. Akira Nugent was finishing like a house on fire. She got second, 12.67. Daniel Williams, the veteran, back in third, 12.82 it looks like.
As you would say,
Sean Bailey held off former Petersfield standout Antonio Watson to win a second national 400 meters title. Bailey won in 44.48 seconds, ahead of Watson 44.54, and dethroned national champion Javon Powell 45.19 seconds.
Yeah, fabulous outcome. Off they go now. The first time of asking and a clean start. Already we see ranging up Sean Bailey. Javon Powell in the tangerine, the defending champion, is there as well, trying to stay in the thick of things. Antonio Watson in the black top, middle of your screen, is also moving fluidly down the backstretch. So it's Antonio Watson, Sean Bailey, Javon Powell, Malik James King and Zandrian Barnes has some catching up to do. They leave the 150-meter marker now. Antonio Watson makes an ominous move, also trying to stay with him. We have got Sean Bailey off the top bend. Bailey and Watson. Bailey forges ahead. Watson digs deep, but Bailey will try to dig deeper. Bailey and Watson. Bailey and Watson. Sean Bailey from Antonio Watson. 44.48 seconds. 44.48. Shades off his lifetime best, 44.43. Antonio Watson second, 44.54. That's his personal best, second PB in just over a month. Brilliant running all round.
Now over in the women's equivalent, Nikisha Price claimed her first national title in 50.21 seconds. 400-meter hurdles champion Geneve Russell, 50.76, was second, and Candice McLeod was third in 51.01 seconds.
The sound of the gun sends them on the way now for the women's 400 meters final. Price is up and about well, so too Sharoki Young. Young likes to go out hard early, and she heads down the backstretch. Right on her inside, though, we have got Nikisha Price. She has been running brilliantly this season, so it's Price, Young, Candice McLeod, seasoned campaigner, is up there in the thick of things as well. Genevieve Russell is also trying to stay with the early tempo, but in the middle of the pack, maroon and white, Nikisha Price, Candice McLeod. Genevieve Russell makes a big move as well. Candice McLeod is there. Sharoki Young comes calling off the top bend. Nikisha Price shows them the way home. Russell is making a loud shout. Candice McLeod is on the premises as well. Nikisha Price produces a big performance and becomes the national champion in brilliant style. 50.19, the flash time for Nikisha Price. We wait for the official time. 50.21, new lifetime best for Nikisha Price. A superb performance to become the national champion. Russell second, 50.76.
0.02 of our personal best. A new mark, 50.21 for former Verteca, Nikisha Price.
Okay.
A smooth run. The Arkansas 400 forces.
And after this, we'll have the men's 200 meters final and the women's 200 meters final. Now it's back to you in studio, Giovanni.